Hello, welcome to my video resume. My name is SM Hasibur Rahman and I'm currently a third year student in the Department of Electrical and Electronic Engineering in Daffodil International University. I've always been fascinated by new electricity powers everything around us, from the smaller device to big industry. The curiosity is what drives me my passion for the power and energy sector, and I love to solve more complex problems. That's why I want to build my career in power and energy sector. I chose Daffodil International University because it provides a strong foundation in engineering education with modern lab facilities and opportunities for research and hands-on learning. The university focus on innovation and practical experience really align with my career goals, especially in the field of power and energy sector. I completed my HSC from Bangladesh Nowahini School and College with GPA 5 out of 5 from Science Group. My journey at Daffodil International University has been full of learning and discovery. I have really enjoyed studying subjects like power system, electrical machine, renewable energy, sustainable energy, and which help me to understand how power generation and distribution shape our modern world. Along the way, I have developed practical knowledge with MATLAB, C programming, Python, PSPice, PSF software. These have helped me to design and simulate different electrical systems combining both creativity and technical knowledge. I also love collaborating with my classmates on group projects. It's always exciting to exchange ideas, solve problem together. I believe the strong teamwork and communication are just important as technical skill for engineer. Recently, I did some group project like traffic light controller, water level indicator, hardware, that's it. And that is my interest in hardware skill. I have also taken part in several workshops and seminar of energy generation, power generation, and sustainable energy technologies, which have motivated to me to keep explore new ideas in the power and energy field.
Three.
After my BSc, I plan to pursue a master's degree in power engineering focusing on power system, analysis, renewable energy, and smart grid technology. After completing my MSc, I aim to build my career in Bangladesh power and energy sector like DPTC, NESCO, DESCO, and PGCB and REB. My long-term goal is contribute to the develop of a sustainable and reliable energy system for our country and combining advanced technology with innovation. Thank you so much for watching my video resume once again. I am SM Hasibur Rahman and a future engineer and excited to explore the power of the future through innovation, dedication, and a position of clean energy.